Replacing the screen on a Samsung Galaxy A53 is relatively simple compared to many modern smartphones. After watching this video, I believe you will feel confident enough to handle it yourself. Start by turning off the phone. Place the magic self-heating pads on the back of the device and heat them for about 10 minutes to loosen the adhesive. Next, use a thin blade to create a small gap in the edge of the back cover. Insert a plastic pry card into the gap and carefully slide it along the edges to cut through the adhesive. Once you've loosened the adhesive around the entire perimeter, the back cover should come off easily. Use a Phillips screwdriver to take out all the screws holding the internal shields in place. If your screwdriver isn't magnetized, use a magnetizer to add magnetic strength for easier screw handling. Use tweezers to lift the upper motherboard shield, then disconnect the battery using a plastic pry tool. Drip a few drops of isopropyl alcohol under the battery to loosen the adhesive. Avoid using water, as it won't dissolve the adhesive and may cause a short circuit. Use a pry tool to lift the battery gently, working around the edges to let the alcohol seep in. Be patient to avoid puncturing the battery or applying excessive force. Once removed, you'll notice how effective the alcohol is in loosening the adhesive. Don't forget to take out the SIM tray, as leaving it in place may damage the frame or components during removal. Disconnect and remove the charging board and motherboard. At this point, all components should be disassembled. Unbox the replacement screen, and you'll notice it's completely bare. This means all components from the old screen need to be transferred to the new one. Carefully install each component in its correct position, ensuring that connectors and cables are securely attached. Reassemble all components in the reverse order of disassembly. To test the screen, dial *number 0 *# to access the diagnostic mode. Check for color accuracy and look for any dead pixels under various background colors. Go to the touch test page and ensure that every grid on the screen responds correctly to touch input. That's it. The screen replacement process for the Samsung Galaxy A53 is complete. Did you learn how to do it? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments below.